Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and I welcome you to the Terrace kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of no-bake chocolate strawberry cake. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe. Take 5 to 6 strawberries and finely chop them. You can remove the top portion like this if you want to. Now to these strawberries, I'm going to add some sugar, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons sugar. Gently mix the sugar and leave it aside because the acids from the strawberry will do their job and the sugar will be completely melted in some time. Dissolved in some time. Now moving to the next step, heat some water and place a bowl with 150 ml dark chocolate, and to that add 150 ml fresh cream. I'm using Amul's fresh cream which comes in blue carton. Mix this well and you need to double boil it until it becomes smooth and glossy. So our ganache is ready, keep it aside. Here I have 100 ml cold whipped cream. We need to whip this until stiff peaks are formed. Now add 2 tablespoons from the prepared ganache and mix the cream. And after mixing it, keep it in your refrigerator till we use it. Here I have taken 16 white bread slices and we need to remove the sides. You can use a pair of scissors or knife to do this. I am cutting a little extra part from a few bread slices because these are rectangular in shape and I want my cake to look square. So this is what it will look like after you cut the sides. Now take a cake board or a plate and apply some cream so that the bread slices stick to the board. Place 4 slices and add sugar syrup made from 2 tablespoons sugar and 3 tablespoons water. Now I'm going to apply some whipped cream. So this is different from the one which we prepared. This is a separate 100 ml whipped cream which I prepared by adding a little bit of strawberry essence and pink food color. So total we need around 200 ml of whipped cream. Spread this cream evenly and then we need to place some strawberries on it. Be generous. If you like strawberries, add a lot, and if you don't like, then I think you might not be making this cake. Okay, now goes the second layer and you need to repeat this step until you reach the final layer, that is the 4th one. So this is the final layer. And now goes the cream which we had prepared by adding some chocolate ganache. Spread this cream evenly all over the cake. Cover the cake well with this cream. And now we're going to top the cake with the ganache. If your ganache has become hard or it has become a little stiff, you can heat it over the double boiler and you can get the right consistency you would need for piping and spreading. And I'm going to make some design at the bottom of the cake like this. This is startup, small startup. Now I'm taking 3 strawberries which I'm dipping in the ganache. So one by one dip in the strawberry and sprinkle some sprinkles. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, sprinkle the sprinkles of your choice and place the strawberries on the cake. You can add more strawberries if you would like to. Finally, I'm going to add some golden and silver pearls, also called as draggies. This step is optional. If you want to do this, you can. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. There you go. Our easy peasy delicious choco strawberry cake is ready. Enjoy!